Looking for a delicious swirled cinnamon roll pancakes option? These swirled cinnamon roll pancakes are light and so easy to make. Ingredients. For the pancakes, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cinnamon swirl, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. For the cream cheese glaze, 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons milk. Directions. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. The batter should be slightly lumpy. In a small bowl, mix together the melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon for the cinnamon swirl. Transfer the mixture to a Ziploc bag and cut off a small corner for piping. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease with butter or oil. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Pipe a swirl of the cinnamon mixture onto the top of each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set, about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. While the pancakes are cooking, prepare the cream cheese glaze by whisking together the cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and milk until smooth. Drizzle the cream cheese glaze over the pancakes before serving. Prep time, 15 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Total time, 35 minutes. Kcal, 400 kilocalories. Servings, 4 servings. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.